welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be showing you this makeup look right here. You guys have been asking me for quite a while now to show you an updated makeup routine. So recently I've been doing like the natural sun-kissed sunburnt look, which is very different from my Instagram catfish copycat tutorials. It makes me, someone who's not very comfortable wearing no makeup, feel comfortable looking a little bit more natural. So if you guys want to learn about this look, then keep watching. So the first thing that I'm going to do, or actually I should probably like put my hair up. What is, oh, it'd be broken. Oh my god, it's like Halloween. This just came off of it. Almost just like a big spite in here. So the first thing that I use is a moisturizer. This right here is my holy grail product. I get questioned to make a video on my skincare routine and it literally would be like a minute long because I use this as my moisturizer and my eye cream and my night cream and my night eye cream. Oh, I dropped it. It's so nice. It doesn't have any fragrance. It makes your skin feel really smooth. For my lips, I use the Carmex. The next step that I do is use a sunscreen. So I'm not even gonna name which one this is because I don't think it's good to put on your face. It doesn't have any fragrance and it's for kids. So I'm gonna let this sit now for like a good 20 minutes. Guess who wanted to say hi while I'm waiting?
I did not. Put me back at once.
Okay, I'll put you back, beautiful. Bring you back. Okay, I'm back. The next step is primer. This, my friend, is something that I normally have not used in the past, and if I've used it, it's only been for the YouTube video. I don't really wear it in my everyday life, but recently I've noticed that around this area and this area, I have like huge craters on my face, like literally craters on my face. I have the biggest pore. The only thing that will stop it is this. So I use the e.l.f. Poreless face primer. So this one is for hydration, and I really like wearing this too because it makes my makeup look really, really dewy, which is, I think, a key step to having like that really natural sun-kissed look. I don't like the smell though. All primers smell the same, no matter what brand they are. They all smell like gas. Citrusy gas. So the next part of my routine is using the NYX color correcting concealer. I have recently started using this because I noticed that even when I wear concealer sometimes, my dark circles are still there. They don't care about concealer. So the only thing that they care about is being canceled out by color correcting. Let's just take a little bit of the green and just put it like a little bit around of my nose. Anywhere where there's like a lot of redness or like any pimples, this is really good for that. And then I take the salmon shade and I just put that under my eyes. And then I also like to put it in the inner corner as well because I do get a lot of darkness there. So for my foundation, I love to use the Fenty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation in the shade 150. So I just like to take 1.5 pumps. So I promise this isn't sponsored by e.l.f. I just really love their products. So I picked this up last week. I've never used this before. It's the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil in the shade Taupe. Anyone that doesn't know, I'm growing in my natural hair color, which is like a very ashy brown. And I feel like this really suits it, or should suit it. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this shade. It looks really warm toned. It looks good on this side, but this side not so much. So I don't know what's happening there, but for £3, I'm not gonna complain. So then I'm gonna go in with my concealer, which is from Collection. So this is the Lasting Perfection concealer in the shade Fair. So I'm gonna just put this on my eyes right here in the corner where I notice I get a lot of darkness. I'm just gonna put some like here Okay, and then for my eyes, I'm just going to put a dark brown eyeshadow on my lid. It's gonna look really dark at first, but when you start to blend it out, it won't look this dark. Then I'm gonna take this little brush and a lighter brown color. It's gonna correct everything with a powder. I'm gonna be taking this eyeliner from L'Oreal, and I'm just gonna tightline my upper waterline. I really like doing this because it just gives the illusion that your eyelashes are really full. Like, look at this eye compared to that eye. Then on my lower lash line, I'm gonna be using this white eyeliner from Rimmel. I don't recommend this one. This one kind of sucks. I kind of have to go over it to get like that white color, but it does the job. This will just give the illusion that my eyes are bigger than they really are. Then for my eyeliner, I'm gonna be using this new one that I bought, which is the Revlon So Fierce Vinyl Eyeliner. This is in a dark brown. Whoa! You seen this? What? Maybe because it's really hot in here, but like what? I don't like this at all. Never mind. I'm going back in with my trusted eyeliner, which is this one by NYX, Epic Ink Liner. I like to just not even touch the inner part of my eye, which is very like anti-fox eye trend. Because my eyes aren't very far apart, like they're obviously not like very close together, but when I bring it into the inner corner, it makes my eyes look really center, and I kind of want to make it wider. So I don't even touch the inner corner of my eyes anymore. I just try to make like that little doll eye Bambi look. So for my mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Great Lash. So again, like just pushing everything to the outer area. So I'm not going up, I'm just going sideways. I'm going to be using my favorite lashes, which I only have one pair left, so I don't know how long these are gonna last me. But these are from YesStyle. They're the Lip Fly Sweet Eyelashes. They're only like half of a full lash. And my Duo Lash Glue. I'm gonna be going back in with my concealer, which is the Lasting Collection Perfection Concealer. Or no, Lasting Perfection Concealer by Collection. And I'm just gonna put that right here on the sides of my nose, right here. I have like a pimple scar there, here, and then like I'm gonna draw a heart right here. With my Rimmel Peachy Punch Jelly Blush, I'm just gonna put like a teeny bit on the outer area right here. I don't know why I like to do this. I don't even feel like it makes that much of a difference, but I just like to add it. So next, I'm gonna be using the NYX Wonder Stick. It's a contour and highlight stick. I'm not gonna lie, I've never really used the highlight side, but I use this. I just like to do it starting at the top of my ear, like that, and then I'll kind of like push a little up here. And then I'll just do the sides of my forehead, in the middle of my nose, a little there. And I definitely go a little crazy on the neck. I start like behind the ear and then I just bring it up. I like to blend that in with just a brush. So I just use like my regular contour brush. So after that, I like to go in with my blush. This is probably the one step that's really changed. I normally would love to go crazy with the contour and the bronzers, but now I really like to do that sun-kissed sunburn kind of look that's really popular on TikTok. I tried it and I like really love it. It makes me look like happy. I start to do it here and then I just kind of bring it towards my nose like this. It's gonna look really bad for a minute, but don't mind it. And then I like to just drag it over my nose. Afterwards, I like to go in with this, which is the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. I just like to set my face, like my under eye, but then I'll also drag it over the blush so it's not so dramatic. Just under my eye and then over this. Don't I look like happier with this? Like, I look like I just went on vacation. You know what I'll do? I'm gonna add just like a little bit actually here. I'm just gonna add like a tiny bit to the temples because this is where you would also get sunburn, you know? So I'm using this one by MAC. This is the Double Gleam Extra Dimension Skin Finish, and just highlight right here. Just gonna put a little bit like that down my nose. Just gonna do like a tiny bit on the tip, on my chin, and also just swipe a little bit up here. Then I'm gonna just quickly finish the eyes, and what I like to do is just use that same highlighter and put it right here and a little bit under my brow. Then with that lighter shade that we were using earlier, the lighter brown shade, I'm just gonna take a tiny bit of that and just put it under my eyes. Either take a brown shadow or you can use this. I use the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Brunette. I don't really like to use this for my eyebrows, but I like to use it to accentuate my moles. I have a mole here, and then I also have another one here. I don't know if you noticed in the beginning, but I have like a tiny, I think it's a birthmark on my nose, but it's right here. So I actually just like to color over that and then just kind of like tap and just tap these as well. I also have another little mole on my eye, so I like to do that. I want to accentuate like the parts of my face that I don't really normally see with my makeup. This looks like dirt. The last step is the lips. My favorite lip combo at the moment are either NYX in Pale Pink with this clear gloss, or I'll go in with the NYX Toulouse liner and Modesty by MAC. Today I don't really want to do like a gloss, so I'm just going to keep it simple and do the lipstick. I'm not gonna overline like crazy. Maybe just like a tiny bit, but not really. That's also one thing that I've noticed as well. Like I like when I'm not really overlining my lips. Like I just think even though thin lips aren't like the ideal, I just think it really suits my face. That's the thing, is like the ideal beauty changes all the time, and I just think what we have on our face really suits us. Like a lot in the past, I would kind of look at someone and I'd be like, oh my god, she's so beautiful, like I want to do the makeup she's doing, I want to try her hair color, like try her style. And then I realized as I got older, people that I personally find like really beautiful are people who really accept themselves and they really emphasize whatever that is, you know, just things that make them really unique. And there we go. Ooh, ah, 1 second. And there we go. See what I mean? I love this makeup look so much. It looks like I've just come back from vacation or I've spent the whole day outside. Like, it's that very healthy, glowy makeup that has been very popular for a long time, I feel, and I've just only recently gone on the trend. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next Thursday. Bye!